Before you attempt your online test, be very mindful that do not refresh your browser window and also do not take any calls on your smartphone if you are attempting the test on your smartphone. Doing so will immediately expire the session and your test will be treated as submit. So please be mindful while attempting your test. I hope this session is useful and you will take all the necessary precautions while attempting your online test. In this video, we will take a look at online test procedure using the website login.trvsps.com. Step 1 is open up your web browser, preferably Google Chrome, and type in the URL login.trvsps.com. Make sure you get the URL correct. You will see a login screen. Enter your user ID, which is allotted to you by your respective class teacher. For example, here 2550 is the user ID that I am using, and initially your user ID and password will be same. As soon as you log in the first time, it will prompt you to change your default password. You can do that. After you change your password, you will see a screen like this. Click on the option button. Click on the online test. In this window, you will see the available online test that is assigned to you. You have to click on attempt. Please read the instruction carefully in this page. After you carefully read the instruction, click on proceed. Here you will see all the different questions. Attempt the question, click on next, attempt another question, then click on next, and so forth. After you attempt all your questions, you will be asked to submit your test, and there is also a remaining timer over here. Please be mindful of that. So after submitting all the questions, you will be asked to finish. You will be asked to click finish, and your score will be immediately displayed before you. After you attempt your test, you simply need to log out of your session. I hope this session is helpful and it will help you to attempt your online test very carefully and easily. Thank you.